In this video, I'll show you how to set up your backup camera so it works with your new Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may have buttons on the side or along the bottom like this one, and may or may not have a DVD player built in, the on-screen and button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer AVH-EX models: AVH-200EX, AVH-201EX, AVH-210EX, AVH-211EX, MVH-200EX, MVH-300EX. Please note, in this video, I'll be using Pioneer's optional ND-BC8 backup camera. When you install the camera, the power and ground needs to be connected directly to your vehicle. Don't connect power and ground to the in-dash receiver. The camera needs to be powered up when the vehicle is powered up, and the camera needs to switch off when the vehicle switches off. Do not connect the purple wire with the white stripe from the back of the in-dash receiver to your camera. Purple and white does not power your camera. Purple and white is used to open the camera window on the in-dash receiver when you put the vehicle in its reverse gear. On the back of your in-dash receiver right here is the brown RCA input. This is for the backup camera. Connect your backup camera here. Okay, I've got my backup camera installed, and let's check a couple of settings on the in-dash receiver to make sure we're all set up and ready to go. So from any source, I'm on the AM/FM radio source here. I'm going to touch the gears, and I want to go to the toolbox. And under the toolbox, let's come down to camera settings, and we'll open that window. So right at the top here, we see backup camera input, and that is switched off. For you to operate the backup camera, either with when you put the vehicle in reverse automatically or when you switch on the camera window, you have to have the backup camera input switched on. When you do that, the camera polarity also comes on. Now, camera polarity can be set to battery or it can be set to negative. In most instances, you are going to set this to battery, and this means that when you put the vehicle in reverse, the purple wire with the white stripe on the back of the in-dash receiver is looking for a positive signal. One possible location to connect this wire, the purple wire with the white stripe, is to the backup lamp. So that's really all I need to do. Backup camera input is on. Camera polarity I'm going to set to battery for right now because that's the most common setting. And I'm going to hit the X. Now let's test to see if our backup camera is operating. We'll touch the home button here. And here I can see camera view. We'll touch that. And this is my camera view. You can see we have a live image here. Now there's a couple of things going on the screen. First is up here you see a caution, this image may be reversed. This is a backup camera, so that's what you want, is for the image to be reversed. Over here we have a timer. If I touch the timer, this takes me out to my source screen, and I can change the radio station preset, whatever I want to do, adjust the volume. If I stop touching the screen for about 5 seconds or so, you'll see that the camera view comes back. There's the camera view back, and if I am done with the camera view, I can touch the X to escape. Now let's test to see if we've installed the reverse gear wire correctly. When I put the vehicle in its reverse gear, that should open the window so I can see the camera view. There, you can see I put the vehicle in reverse and the camera view window has opened up for me. Now I'm going to take the vehicle out of reverse and we go back to the source screen. Let's check a couple of settings on the camera view to make sure that we have a proper picture on our camera. So I'll touch the gears up here, and I want the toolbox, and I'm going to scroll down to picture adjustment. But you can see picture adjustment is grayed out, so we'll need to engage the parking brake. When I engage the parking brake, picture adjustment becomes available, so I'll touch that on the screen. And you see I have my source screen is showing back here right now. If I touch the camera view button, that shows me my camera view. You can see the camera view is live right now, and I can adjust the brightness, contrast, color on the camera view. So let's touch the brightness of camera, and here I can make this brighter or dimmer. I can change to the contrast, the color, through the dimmer with the, I can adjust the brightness of the camera view with the dimmer on or with the dimmer off. Right now I'm adjusting the camera view with the dimmer off. And we are back around to brightness. When you're done making your adjustments for your camera, you can hit the X to escape.